This is going to be the most important video you will watch in the next 60 days on YouTube. This is where the millionaire migration is happening. This is a private beach. It's an island. The price per square foot in this island starts from 900 dirhams per square foot. Abu Dhabi is one of the most interesting propositions for investment you can do right now. There is a very limited supply. Government only releases very few units in Abu Dhabi. This is an absolutely amazing concept. We haven't seen this in whole UAE. If you are an investor and you're watching this video, this is going to be the most important video you will watch in the next 60 days on YouTube. Listen to me very carefully. Aap mere piche, what you're seeing right now is the Arabian Sea. This is a private beach, and you ask this question all the time, where the millionaire migration is happening in UAE. This is where the millionaire migration is happening. This is a private beach. It's an island that is exclusively being developed by government-backed sovereign fund and a government developer. It's called Modon. The whole size of the island is 1 million square meters. Half of the island is completed, which is the commercial side. I will show it all to you in the video. Half of the island is residential. It's one of the most exclusive addresses you can buy, and for an investor, I have to tell you this really important thing. The price per square foot in this island starts from 900 dirhams per square foot. It is a very, very good bargain. And listen to me very carefully. It is a 40-60 payment plan. You pay 40% during construction and 60% on handover. There is a 3 years waiting time for this. This is a private beach that you get. This is only for the residents. I will show you everything in detail. We have 10,000 square foot plots for 5 bedrooms, 6 bedrooms. Then we have houses on 25-meter high hills, and then we have mansions on it. They're only by invitation. I will take you inside. I will show you the master plan. I will show you the floor layouts, and I will tell you the amenities. I can tell you one thing for a fact. Abu Dhabi is one of the most interesting propositions for investment you can do right now, because Abu Dhabi has seen more than 40% surge in increase in the hedge funds, and Abu Dhabi has also experienced about 7% growth in population. Right now we are sitting close to 4.5 million population in Abu Dhabi. Most of the Abu Dhabi is not a freehold property, which means you cannot buy in Abu Dhabi. There are very few places that you can buy. There are only 3 developers which are government backed who are making this. So please do subscribe to the channel and stick to the video. I will show you everything in detail. Come. See all this beautiful layout. What you can see over there is the main Abu Dhabi Corniche area, and on that side I have the presidential palace. So this whole island is being developed by the government of Abu Dhabi, technically, because it's a sovereign fund and Modon is a developer. The inventory over here gets sold out really quickly. There are very few options available right now. So this is basically half of the island, which is the residential part of the island. So mainly there are 3 things you need to understand. Number 1 is this side. Number 2 is this hill. And number 3 is this hill. Okay. Now this is the west hill. It's called Hudayriyat Island. This hill is sold out completely. On this east side hill, there are 8 units available currently as we speak. They start from 12.5 million, a 5 bedroom, almost 5,700 built up area. And then we have a bigger mansions upside. It has a full sea view. You can see the beach over here, and it has a sea view over there. There is 1 unit I'm selling right now. It's 219 right now, unit number. It has a full sea view and the Dubai skyline. So these units, it's called Naseem Community. These units have 10,000 plot size. They have the walk to the beach, and they cost about 9 million starting price. We have 5 and 6 bedrooms available in it. You pay 10% on the booking. 2% is the land department fees, ALD, Abu Dhabi land department fees. And you pay it for 3 years, and you pay 60% on handover. So 40% during construction, 60% on handover. Now, so we'll start from here. This is the type 5 mansions that we have on top of the hill that I've showed you earlier. We have 7 bedrooms over here. For these mansions, it's by invitation only. There are very few mansions, and majority of the buyers are Europeans in it. We have basement car parking. We have a cinema inside it. We have a kitchen downstairs in the basement. We have a living room on the ground floor. We have a guest bedroom on the ground floor. We have a kitchen over there on the ground floor, and then it comes we have 5 bedrooms on the first floor. So this is the 7-bedroom type mansion. You come over here, this is another design. This is type 3. This is very, very sleek. This is also on a height of about 30 meters up the hill, and you can see all sea view from this. These villas, they start about from 35 million approximately, 40% during construction and 60% on handover. And please understand one thing, there is a very limited supply. Government only releases very few units in Abu Dhabi. So all the developments you see in Abu Dhabi, about 90% of them are government-backed developers. So there's a very, very limited supply. So that's another mansion that I've shown you. Come over here. So this is another type that we have. We have a 5 and a 6 bedroom type over here also. And this is also on the hills. It starts from about approximately 25 million. The availability is very low. 1, 2, 3 units, they sometimes come on the system, and then we book it immediately. So again, we have a basement, we have a car parking, we have a living inside, we have a games in the basement, we have a pool, then we have a spiral staircase on the ground floor, we have a guest bedroom, then we have the living area, then we have a lounge, we have a dining area, and then the first floor is your living quarters. We have the 4 bedrooms on the living quarters, and the back side, we're gonna have a sea view from this side on the hill, and we're gonna have a sea view on this side from the hill. Okay, now let's come to the type 2 and type 1. This is one of the best typologies that I've seen. They're also on the hill. They're only 4 to 5 units right now. The one unit that I'm selling is this one. It has a full view for the sea and the Abu Dhabi skyline. And this doesn't have a basement. It has a ground floor and the first floor. The price for this one is 12.5 million. It's about 2,000 dirhams per square foot. It's a very affordable price. Keeping in mind you have a sea view. It's not an artificial water. It's an actual island. You have it on there. And half of the island, by the way, so we come here from the Cornish side of Abu Dhabi. So this side of the island, which I'll show you in the presentation, is all developed. They have all the commercial areas on this side of the island, which comes in with the cinemas, malls, recreational activities, skates. So everything is on this side. And again, this is the 5-star hotel that we have. This one hill is sold out. This one hill is available. This is an absolutely amazing concept. We haven't seen this in whole UAE. You have these hills that have a height and they have a view on the both sides.